And now, here's a disclaimer. Remember guys, nothing here is financial advice. Please do your own research. Only trade with what you can afford to lose, because at the end of the day, it is crypto. So that means potentially you could be losing all of your money and potentially have your wallet drained. We don't want that to happen to you at all. So instead, do your research, a thorough research. Most importantly, only use money that you are happy and willing to lose. But equally guys, with great risks, there are always great rewards. So have that in mind. So let's get back into the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to Total Crypto for another video. Guys, in this video we are going to be jumping back into memes, and I reckon guys we are in a perfect opportunity to get in now before we see some crazy run to the upside. That's why in this video definitely need to watch, because it's going to be a great one. So without any further ado, you know what time it is, and it's time to strap onto your boots, put on your rocket helmets. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, let's crack on quickly with Coq Inu. Coq Inu is looking like we are literally at the bottom and now is on the cusp of making its way to the upside. Remember guys, it really depends on what Bitcoin does, because it looks like if Bitcoin decides to drop a little bit further, potentially we could see Coq Inu go all the way back down to these levels down here. Now hopefully that won't be the case either way guys. As long as we get above this level right up here, then we should be continuing our way at least back up to this level before we go to much more higher into the last all-time highs. I reckon guys, as long as you're patient and be able to hold your meme tokens and make sure you don't sell at a loss. Remember guys, it's not financial advice, because we could be getting 817% move to the upside just from holding from the current price all the way to up here. If you've been dollar costing your way in guys, remember guys, do not sell at loss. The whole point of DCing your way in is because whenever we drop down, you add more to your bag. So eventually, once we do come back up to the last all-time highs, and then you should be reaping all the rewards. I reckon in this bull season, Coq Inu should go into a much crazier price. How much higher can we go? Potentially, guys, we could actually see maybe close to 1 cent mark, but who knows? You let me know down in the comments. But if Avalanche reaches more than $400 in the coming bull season, then we just don't know how much more higher can Coq Inu go. So why don't we quickly head over to Shiba Inu, because there's been some crazy developments coming in from Shiba Inu. It looks like they have been burning crazy amount of their tokens, and if they continue to burn more tokens, then we should have a deflationary effect within Shiba Inu. Now, how far are we away from the last all-time highs? Well guys, we are like 470, let's say 470% away from the last all-time highs. That's if you measure from the top of the body. Otherwise, if you measure to the top of the wick, we could be expecting maybe 697% away from the last all-time high. Either way, everyone's calling for Shiba Inu to hit that 1 cent mark, and if we do guys, we might see a 150 to 140x gains. But you let me know down in the comments guys if you reckon this is feasible, because if we hold from the current price and we go all the way up and find that 1 cent mark, guys, this is pretty phenomenal, because 1 cent from the current price we could be expecting, like I said, well, 96x at least. If we go slightly higher, if we're lucky enough, maybe 114 or 115x gains. Let me know down in the comments guys if you believe that Shiba Inu could in fact do that. Now why don't we jump into the SPX meme coin, because the market cap is at 554% $1 million market cap, circulating supply of 930.99 million. The chart is not looking too great in a minute, because we've broken down below at this level right over here. Had we continued to range here before pushing away to the upside, then this will look more like a healthy chart on a at least retest back towards the last all-time highs. But instead we've broken down below this level, which means potentially we could be heading away all the way back down to this level of around about 4 cent mark. However, if we continue on from here, this could be a perfect reaccumulation phase down here, because if we pull out the measuring tool, let's say for example we continue marching away to the upside, breaking this level, going back to the last all-time highs, this will be an easy 293% gains to the upside. How much more high can we go? Well guys, we just don't know about the SPX. Potentially we could see some crazy run up for the SPX token during the bull seaon. If we potentially head away up to the $8.38 from the current price, guys, that's going to be a pretty phenomenal move to the upside, because the price now is only at 48 cents. So that gives us a substantial in returns. But guys, you let me know whether you're holding SPX or not. Now, some of you have been calling out for Success Kid. I reckon Success Kid will still moon. How much more high can we go? Well, it all depends on their marketing team and the people who run the project, because I don't think they're doing such a great job at the minute. But as soon as we get ourselves listed on major exchanges, then we can see some crazy run to the upside. We've been currently bouncing around this level right up here. As long as we do break above from here, get back into this level there, that will give us anywhere around about between 158 to 200 and less than 200% move to the upside. Not too shabby, right? However, if we then continue from here back up to the most important levels right up here, that will give us 328% move to the upside. However, let's say if we do get back up to the last all-time highs, I think on records for Success Kid it's around about 26 cent mark. So if that is the case, guys, we could be seeing some substantial move to the upside, anywhere roughly around about 3,745%. But as long as the Success Kid team and the marketing team do market this meme pretty well and hopefully be listed on several major exchanges, potentially, guys, we could see much more bigger prices, because the circulating supply is still mega tiny. Tokenomics wise, it is one of the best one out there in terms of memes. However, if we don't get listed on major exchanges, I'm not sure just how much more higher can we go. But if we're lucky enough, we should be able to see a 50 cent without any major exchanges. But if we do see more major exchanges coming in, like your Kucoin, Binance, Coinbase, and etc., then we could see some crazy run to the upside. You let me know down in the comment section whether you reckon that we could be expecting some crazy run for Success Kid. But anyway, guys, in one of my videos coming up, we are going to be looking at some of the AI plays within the Solana network and just AI in general. If you like the sound of that, guys, just give me a like, subscribe, and let me know which AI you want me to cover. Either way, guys, there will be a lot more rapid fire memes, AI, pre-sale, airdrops, and etc. coming to Total Crypto. So guys, as always, if you are new and you haven't subscribed yet, give me a like, subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and I'll see the rest of you later.